Afterpay allows you to shop now and pay later, and using gift cards with Afterpay can enhance your shopping experience. Here is a simple guide to help you use Afterpay gift cards effectively. Step 1. Check gift card compatibility. Before using a gift card with Afterpay, ensure that the retailer you wish to shop with accepts Afterpay as a payment method. You can usually find this information on the retailer's website or by checking Afterpay's list of partnered merchants. Step 2. Purchase your gift card. Buy a gift card from a retailer that you plan to shop at. You can often purchase these online or in-store. Make sure to keep the gift card details handy, as you will need them during the checkout process. Step 3. Shop online. Visit the retailer's website and select the items you want to purchase. Add them to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. Ensure that you have your Afterpay account set up and ready to use. Step 4. Select Afterpay at checkout. When you reach the payment section of the checkout process, choose Afterpay as your payment method. You will be redirected to log into your Afterpay account if you are not already logged in. Step 5. Apply your gift card. Once you are logged into Afterpay, you can enter your gift card information as a payment method. Follow the prompts to apply the gift card balance to your order. If the gift card does not cover the full amount, Afterpay will allow you to pay the remaining balance using their service. Using gift cards with Afterpay can be a convenient way to manage your purchases. Enjoy your shopping experience.